Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a heartfelt Father's Day card. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need one sheet of sturdy cardstock, approximately 8.5 by 11 inches, a pair of sharp scissors, a glue stick, and a selection of colorful markers or crayons. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on creating something special for Dad. Now, let's create the foundation of your card. Take your 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock and fold it precisely in half lengthwise. This will give you a card base that measures 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches when folded. Run your finger or a ruler along the fold to create a really crisp, clean crease. A well-defined fold makes your card look polished and ready for decoration. With your card base ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Use your colorful markers to draw a special picture or design on the front, perhaps a favorite hobby of your dad's or a simple best dad ever message. You could also glue on a small photograph or a cutout shape for an extra personal touch. Remember, the goal is to make it uniquely his, reflecting his personality. Finally, the most important part, your heartfelt message. Open your card and write a sincere note to your dad. Share a favorite memory, express your gratitude, or simply tell him how much you love and appreciate him. Your words are what truly make this card special and meaningful. Sign your name clearly at the bottom. This handmade card will surely bring a smile to his face.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.